Hello besties, welcome back to Not So Shy on Fittak, where we don't whisper about the stuff everyone should be talking about. Today's topic? Female condoms. Yep, they exist. And no, they are not just a weird internet rumor. So now let's play a quick game, but you have to be honest. Raise your hand if you have heard of male condoms. Now keep that hand up if you have actually seen a female condom. And there go the hand. But don't worry, you are not alone. Most people don't even know they are a thing. So now let's understand what is a female condom. A female condom, also known as an internal condom, is a soft, loose-fitting pouch that goes inside the vagina before sex. हिंदी में भी सुन लीजिए. ये एक सॉफ्ट फ्लेक्सिबल पाउच होता है जो वजाइना के अंदर इंसर्ट होता है बिफोर सेक्स. 2 रिंग्स होती हैं, एक अंदर जाती है टू होल्ड इट इन प्लेस और दूसरी रिंग वजाइना के आउटर पार्ट में रहती है. इट एक्ट्स लाइक अ स्पर्म कैचर, जस्ट लाइक मेल कॉन्डम्स, बट उल्टा सिस्टम. और हाँ, it feels different, but yes, it does the job. Now let's understand how well does it work. When used perfectly, female condoms are about 95% effective. In real world use, it drops to around 79%, which is similar to male condoms, if used incorrectly. Now, what is the moral of the story? Learn how to use it properly and it can be a super reliable method of protection against both pregnancy and STIs. Now, why do people don't know about them? So why are female condoms basically the unicorns of sexual health? 3 big reasons. Lack of awareness. They are rarely mentioned in sex ed or doctor's offices. Availability. You won't find them in every pharmacy or vending machine like the other kind. Stigma, because heaven forbid women take charge of their pleasure and protection, right? Add a sprinkle of taboos and boom, female condoms are hidden away in the shadows. Now let's also understand the pros and cons. Let's break it down quick fire style. Pros. You control it, no need to rely on a partner. Made of nitrile, which is non-latex, so they are great for people with latex allergies. Can be inserted hours before sex. Hello convenience. Covers more of the external area, that is equal to better STI protection. Now let's also understand the cons. Needs a little practice to insert smoothly. Not widely available. Some people say it feels too loose or makes noise, though honestly that's just a part of learning curve. Now why they deserve more love? Here is the tea. Female condoms are empowering. They put control, comfort and choice in your hands. They are not perfect, but neither are the standard ones. And with a bit more visibility and practice, they could totally be a game changer. So next time you're shopping for protection, maybe give this underdog a shot. And hey, if you have used a female condom before, drop your experience in the comments. Let's not be shy. See you next time on Not So Shy. Stay safe, stay curious and keep watching Fittak.